Now, back into our trading idea, we have five today. We start with the first one with Nik Ihsan. One reason why we highlight five, because I think there's a number of stocks who are staged some sort of the breakout move after they did some consolidation for some time being. So for Nik Ihsan, the consolidation since May has ended following yesterday breakout on a bit higher trading volume above the triangle neckline pattern. So you can see here the breakout occur on two occasions. One above the so-called the pattern neckline, another above the upper Bollinger Band. So that means in terms of the overall momentum is actually I would say has improved significantly, and you can take a look reading on stochastic MACD also turn quite positive. So we're expecting a further upward move toward the next technical target pegged at 1.48 and 1.62, while the cut loss level will be below 1.28. Then we have autocon.com ADV. So it showcases a consolidation within the rectangle pattern since 20 July. So this consolidation has ended following a breakout last Monday. So last Monday one, so we want to wait for a while to get much more better reading. So we don't want to get caught in this similar position. However, in terms of the general reaction, it does look much more stronger compared than earlier breakout. So we think there's a decent chance for the stock to continue to trade higher, particularly when you see the structure of the stochastic here, you multiple crossover over here. MACD also has been traded inside positive territory. Trading volume also a little bit on the higher side, improving. So we're expecting there's a decent chance for the condition to continue, to end. And the next technical target is actually pegged at 73 cents and 81.5 cents. Then we have AZLB. The stock has staged a breakout above the triangle pattern. The consolidation has ended since I think mid-July. So the breakout above the triangle pattern neckline on the back of high trading volume signal the uptrend set to continue. We put our cut loss level slightly below 23 cents, while the next technical target is actually at 29 cents and 34 cents based on Fibonacci projection target. And then we have Borneo. Borneo doing quite decently. We like the fact that the Borneo has staged a strong breakout move. I think on 21st August. The reason why, because you can see the contraction in terms of price movement for the based on Bollinger Band reading over here. So the solid breakout here is actually kickstart a new upcycle. So once a strong breakout that we don't want to immediately goes in, because the risk and reward ratio is a little bit on the high side. We want to wait for the stock to pull back, build out a new baseline right within middle Bollinger Band here before resume their prior trend again. So you can see here, this is a classic 1 to 3 pattern followed by higher trading volume, and momentum also turn positive. So we're expecting further upward move with the next technical target is pegged at 1.97 and 2.15, while the cut loss will be below 1.72. Last but not least will be pie industry. So one reason why I highlight, because the major downtrend move could be at the tail end following yesterday's breakout. Now, the thing is for the stock, I think we use this setup. The stock has been testing this 45-day moving average for a number of time until yesterday. We have a much more solid breakout move on the back of higher trading volume, and those breakout was backed by decent reading in RSI. Notice how RSI trend has started to shift upward, and the DMI also, you can see here, was supportive. The plus DI traded above, slightly traded above what we call the 80th line, and the curve here suggests the uptrend set to start further. So that means we're expecting further upward move toward the net technical target at 3.12 and 3.45, while the cut loss will be below 2.75.
Do 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 do.